Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this very nice whitening serum for clients, and this is a bulk order. Yes, we offer bulk orders on all our products, and we can also custom make your own products for you, and all you have to do is just bottle it and put your name on it and it's yours. So we offer these kinds of services. And also, I forgot to mention the winners of our 5 ebooks in my last video, so you definitely want to watch this video to the end to find out if you're one of the lucky 5 who was picked. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by and always coming back. I really do appreciate you all. My name is Sele Kalio, if you don't know, and on this channel we do skincare DIY recipes, we do skincare product reviews. We also do some entertainment videos, which we're going to be incorporating in this channel very soon. Now, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this whitening serum for a client. This is a bulk order. I'm sorry, this order was made specifically for a particular client, and I definitely am not going to be showing you everything that was used here, but be rest assured that whatever I show you or whatever I list in this video is going to be very, very effective. I hope you understand that this is my business and I have to protect my business and also my clients as well. Moving forward, I want to quickly apologize for my voice. I am really ill, and I just know that I have to make these videos one way or the other, so please bear with me. So we're going to jump right into the video. I have my Snow White powder and I have my measuring bowls and measuring tools and everything. I also have my recipe book, which I have prepared this recipe for this client. And like I said earlier, we offer these services. We can make any kind of products for you. We can also do your packaging and also do your branding, everything for you. All you have to do is just send me a message using the link in the description bar to for inquiries and all of that. Please, I need only serious buyers or serious inquiries. And also, please do not call me, just send a WhatsApp message, because calls stall my response, and while others are waiting, I'll be busy making calls. And so here I have my Snow White powder. Don't worry, all the measurements will be listed in the description in the video. I'm not putting it in the description, it's going to be in the video. So this is my Snow White powder. Now I have dissolved my Snow White powder into this clear consistency. Now I'm going to go ahead to add more. Now, I don't know if I've said this before, if you are melting or dissolving your Snow White powder, it gets a little tricky. So you don't want to pour your water into your powder. You want to pour your powder into your water gradually. Pour your powder into your water. That way you get this very clear consistency. And also, when dissolving it, you should do a 2 to 1 part. That's 2 parts water and 1 part powder to get this clear consistency. Maybe I'll do a video on that to show you how it's done. Moving on, here I have my hyaluronic acid, and I'm using this for moisture. I'm going to list all the ingredients in the video, so you definitely want to watch this video till the end. Here is my whitening booster. I'm also going to be adding whitening booster into this recipe to give me that added whitening effect. Like I said earlier, I'm going to show you as much as I can and I'm making sure that all that I'm showing you in this video is going to be super effective for you, whether you want to use it for yourself or you want to sell it. So here is my Mayasian oil. This oil, we have done this video before. This is the orange color. I have them in so many other colors. I also have them on wholesale, so if you want to buy to resell, I have these oils available for sale. I'm going to leave a link here on how I made this oil, and if you want to buy also, we have them for sale. So here I'm just making up the Snow White oil or the Mayasian oil to the right quantity that I need. Yeah, I'm just adding some other colors just to make up the quantity that I need. And here, as you can see, the color that I used here is blue, and it definitely messed up my color idea that I had in my head, but it's fine. It still comes out beautiful in the end. So yeah, so now that I have my quantity that I need, I'm going to pour that into a bowl. You can see what I meant. I was going for a very clear look, but it's still good. So here we have my vegetable glycerin, and I'm just going to pour that into the bowl to measure out the quantity that I need. You can use more vegetable glycerin, you can use less. Now I know a lot of you are going to ask me, can I use whitening glycerin? Yes, you can use whitening glycerin for this recipe. It is all good. And also I'm going to be using Beauty Series oil. Beauty Series oil is one very nice oil that is underrated, that is not talked about a lot, and this one has glutathione and kojic acid in it. It also has collagen, it has alpha arbutin, and it's anti-wrinkle, so it is nice for your skin, and it's also very good for aging skin as well. So if you're trying to blur out fine lines on your face, you're trying to stop wrinkle and stop premature aging, you should use Beauty Series oil. You either use it directly or use it in your formulations, and you will get a beautiful result. I'm sorry guys, my voice is messed up. I am really down with the flu, and I'm really struggling to speak. I'm struggling to breathe. I have run some tests. I have even done the COVID test. I'm still waiting for my results. So for now, I'm just isolating and trying to be safe and keep others safe just in case. So here I have my sodium lactate, and sodium lactate is a very good humectant as well. It helps draw moisture to the skin. It helps draw moisture from the atmosphere and within the skin to the surface of the skin to keep it supple and soft. So I'm going to add that into this recipe as well. Moving on, I have my preservative. Now whenever you have products that have water in them, you definitely want to use preservative. If you have water, if you have fresh fruits and all those things, you have to add your preservative to keep your products safe from any form of microbials or decaying. Now this is optional, and this is my xanthan gum. You can decide to skip this step, it's okay, but I just needed that jelly effect in this recipe, so I'm going to go ahead to add my xanthan gum. You can use any gelling agent that you have to dissolve this, but to get the jelly effect. But for this video I'm using xanthan gum, and I'm just going to try to mix that up and then leave it for a while. Here you can see it is gelling up, and I was in a hurry because I needed to do other stuff, so I just put it into the formulation and let it sit on its own for a while until it is completely dissolved. So I just put the lid over it and leave it for a while. Here it has dissolved, but I still want to go ahead to use my stick blender to blend any form of particles that are left, just to make sure everything is smooth. Now this is what we have. At this stage you can go ahead to sieve the product, because you still have particles in it, so you can go ahead to sieve it. Make sure that everything is smooth, you don't have any residue from your powders or your xanthan gum and all of that. So yeah, I went ahead to sieve the product after, and went ahead to bottle it. So this is what it looks like. You can see that the gelling effect has taken its course, but you can actually skip the gelling effect. I just went ahead to do that. So now I'm going to go ahead to bottle it. Now this process I'm doing is so rigorous, like it took so much of my time. Now you can definitely get a very large syringe and use the syringe to fill up your bottles, or you can get this other container that has a tap kind of thing on it and fill up your container. So you can see everything. I had to speed up the video just so it doesn't take time, because it took so long to fill up these containers. So this is what we go through when we are making your bulk orders. So please, when you want to price these products, kindly put into consideration the work, the product, the production, and everything that goes into it. But I bet you, be rest assured that you will make tons, you will make a lot of money just by selling these products. So if you're interested in making your own bulk order or your own products, definitely hit me up using the link in the description down below. So here I have filled up all the bottles that I needed to fill up, and I'm just going to go ahead now to put the lids on. So yeah, these are done manually. I do this for every customer, and I make sure that everything is properly done and well in a well sanitized environment to make sure your products last for you. And be rest assured that you're getting the maximum effect of these products. Now if you want to get my ebook is still available. It's 5,000 naira. So wherever you are in the world, we can send it to you. It's an ebook, so it will be emailed or sent via WhatsApp. Just send me a message in the description or use the link in the description to shop my ebook. Now this is what our oil looks like. It is very beautiful. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. So I'm going to go ahead to rinse the bottles. This is a sanitized water. This water has some sanitary agents in it to make sure that the products are very clean and well sanitized for packaging. So after I do this process, I will go ahead to put the labels on them. Yes, this customer asked us to make her branding for her, so you can also send in your order and we can brand your products for you. Now unfortunately I can't show you the customer's branding, but we offer that service as well. Now on to our winners for our giveaway that I announced before. I forgot to put it in the last video, so I'm just going to show it on here. And if you are picked or you find your name in the list, kindly send me a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar to get your ebook for free. Now, I wanted to really do something that will benefit some people. You know, I didn't just want to give out stuff that don't matter. So I hope you appreciate this little gift, and in the future I'm going to do more giveaways and, you know, try to help as much as I can. So here are our winners. Our first winner is Johnny Donalds. She was the first to comment. And our second winner is Lucy Barnes. I hope I'm pronouncing your name very well. Our next winner is High Queen Elizabeth. I will put the names on the screen. And the next person is Kale Cosmeo. And our last winner is Tope Sotonde. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your names right. I'm sorry, but I'm going to list the names on the screen. So if you see your name on the screen, please send me a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar to get straight to me to get your ebook and your videos. I hope this helps you in one way or the other to, you know, become better at your formulation and, you know, help you grow your business. I'm super grateful to everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for always taking time out to watch my videos. My birthday vlog is coming up soon. I'm still trying to put it together. Like, this is my first time editing a vlog, so it's kind of challenging, but I'm definitely going to put it out. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.